Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I am gonna walk you through the Sheraton Atlantic City Convention Center Hotel. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So as part of my US trip, I stayed in this hotel for a night. So I'm gonna walk you through it. I have not included the room tour because for that I have already uploaded a video. If you want to watch that, just go ahead with the link in the description. Alright guys, so this is the main reception area. You can see there are desks to help you after you enter. So this is the corridor when you go to any floor, and at any floor you will have automatic vending machines for ice, snacks and cold drink like coke, water. Now I'm taking you towards the lift area. So at every floor you will find a lift that takes you right away to the health spa. Apart from that, other lifts take you to the main lift area uh, from any floor. I also showed you the exterior view. So I was on the 6th floor. Now I have reached the main floor. Now this is the healthcare spa where you enter. So I've tried to capture this area. So you have all facilities like gym, pool. So I did not uh, film the pool area because some people were present over there, so that could have made them uncomfortable. So that's why I avoided. But once you go there, you can see it. So in order to go to the second floor, you have stairs also, and stairs are very well decorated. So on the second floor you will find some computers where internet connection is available if you want to use internet, and on the reception area you have complimentary Wi-Fi, but there is no complimentary Wi-Fi in your room, so that is one of the things I did not like. So you can see on the second floor there are so many good restaurants and cafes along with many halls where activities do take place. I'm just walking you through it. This is the internet area, and this floor was really well decorated. You can see the halls and all. This is the exterior of the hotel. So now I have taken you out of the hotel to show you the exterior area. There's a big parking lot, although there were very few cars at the time we reached. It was a Sunday evening. There were few hotels and restaurants around. Shops were also present, but because it was Sunday evening, so I found a lot of them were already closed when I reached. walking towards the hotel. Another good thing I like about this external area, exterior is was it was very clean. You can see I don't see any garbage and lot of paintings and photos around, and many of them are very old also, so you can see some history across the street over there. Now after I take a left turn from here, uh, the main reception of the hotel comes. And again I'm inside the hotel, so there's a shop at the ground floor, a gift shop where you can get coffee also. So that's it for the video now. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything, please feel free to ask. Thank you guys.